Okay, welcome to Unit 6. We're going to start by talking about ratios. So what is a ratio? It is a comparison of two or more quantities. So ways to write a ratio, you can write it as A over B, you can write it as A to B, or you can write it A and colon B. Ratios can be simplified. So just like this one, if it's A over B, we can simplify that fraction. Okay, so here is our first example. A music store has 40 trumpets, 39 clarinets, 24 violins, 51 flutes, and 16 trombones in stock. Give each as a ratio and simplified. So trumpets to violins. So trumpets to violins, we have 40 trumpets to 24 violins. So we can also write that as divide both of those by, if we divide both of them by 10, we get 10 over 10 to 6. Divide again by 2, we can get 5 to 3. Okay. Flutes to clarinets. So 51 flutes to 39 clarinets. You can reduce that to 17 and 13 divided by 3. Trombones and trumpets. So we get 16 over 40. So I'll write it a different way. You can reduce that by 4 to get 4 over 10, and reduce it again by 2 to get 2 over 5. And violins to total instruments. So if we add up all of those numbers, we get 170. So it would be 24 over 170, and we can reduce that to 12 over 85, dividing by 2. So we're going to talk about extended ratios. So it is a comparison of 3 or more quantities. So we can write an extended ratio as A to B to C. So we're going to talk about using ratios to find angles and sides. So to find the ratio of two complementary angles is 3 to 7. Find the measure of both angles. So what we need to do is we need to take this right here, complementary. So two complementary angles mean they add up to 90 degrees. So if our ratio is 3 to 7, we're going to write it as 3x plus 7x is equal to 90. So we get 10x is equal to 90, x is equal to 10. So that means one angle is going to be, oh, I'm sorry, it should be 9, not 10, my bad. So it should be 3 times 9, which is 27, and the other one's going to be 7 times 9, which is 63. So those are our two angle measures. The ratio of two supplementary angles is 4 to 1. So supplementary is adding up to 180. So we have 5x is equal to 180, x is equal to 36. So 4 times 36 is 144, and the other one is just going to be x. So we have 144 and 36. So here we have an extended ratio of 4 to 7 to 9 because it's the ratio of the measures of the angles of a triangle. We know the measures of a triangle add up to 180. So 4x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 180. 20x is equal to 180. X is equal to 9. So if we plug it in, 4 times 9 is equal to 63. 7 times 36, this is 63. And 9 times 9 is 81. And this one we have, again, another measure of triangles. Our ratio is 11 to 2 to 5. So we have 11x plus 2x plus 5x is equal to 180. We get 18x is equal to 180, x is equal to 10. Find the measure of the largest angle. Obviously, that's going to be the one that's multiplied by the largest number. So 11 times 10 is 110. The ratio of the measures of the sides of a triangle are 2 to 9 to 2 to 8 to 9. If the perimeter is 76 inches, find the length of each side. So again, perimeter is adding up all the sides. So we have 2x plus 8x plus 9x is equal to 76. We get 19x is equal to 76. X is equal to 4. We plug all these in, we get 8 to 32 to 36. And those are the measures of our side lengths. And the last type of this problem, we have ratio of 10 to 15 to 6, perimeter is 217, 10x plus 15x plus 6x is equal to 217. Combine like terms, 31x is equal to 217, x is equal to 7. Finding it of the shortest side, obviously that's 1 multiplied by the smallest. So 6 times 7 is equal to 42 meters. Okay. So what is a proportion? A proportion is an equation that states two ratios are equal. A proportion is written as A over B is equal to C over D. And using the cross product property, you can solve for any proportion. So if you do it, you're doing AD is equal to BC. So let's practice that. Using the cross product, 4 times 7 is 28 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 14. 19 times 12 is 228 is equal to 10x. We get x to be 22.8. Now we have a little bit of algebra in here, so we get 19 times x minus 1 is equal to 78. So you have to distribute. And you get x is equal to 5.1. 5x plus 20 is equal to 323. Oops, sorry. $90 is equal to 40, x minus 180. is equal to 54x plus 72. 54x is equal to 108. X is equal to 2. And then the last one, you just have double. 18x minus 360 is equal to 3x minus 33. We get 15x is equal to 327. X is equal to 21.8. And that's how you solve for proportions. Hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.